Hello and welcome to my online digital academy. My name is Muhammad Waseem and today we are going to solve the exercise 1b. If you didn't watch my previous video, it is requested to watch first to have more understanding of comparing numbers, ascending and descending orders. Exercise number 1b. Question number 1. Put the correct sign which is greater than or less than sign. Question number 2 is ring the greatest number in each of the following. Question number 3 is ring the smallest number in each of the following. Question number 4. This is a list of the distance covered by some of the longest train journeys in the world. Rearrange in descending order. Question number 5 is rearrange the following numbers in ascending order. Question number 6 is rearrange them in descending order. And question number 7 is similar, rearrange the following numbers in descending orders. Why I read all questions for you? I want to show you questions in exercise number 1b, like comparing the numbers, arranging the numbers in ascending or descending orders are easily solvable using place value chart. As we learned in previous videos, place value give the value of the digit depending on its place in the number. So let's start with the question number 1c. If we draw the place value chart on the number, starting with ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs. So the place value of 4 is 4 lakhs. The number on your left hand side, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So the place value of 4 is 40,000. So which symbol will come? The opening side of the crocodile mouth is used to represent the bigger number and the closed side of the mouth is used to represent the smaller number. So 4 lakh is greater than 40,000. Let's move to the question number 2. Ring the greatest number in each of the following. Let's start with the question number C. Let's draw the place value chart. As we can see, the 1000 period has same value which is 42,000. So we cannot compare which value is bigger and which value is small. So let's move to the ones period. As we can see, ones period start with 600, ones period start with 600, ones period start with 800. So which one is the greatest number? The 800 is the greatest number. So 42,860 is the greatest number. So let's circle it. Move to the question number 3. Ring the smallest number in each of the following. So let's pick the question number 3c. As we can see here, the 1000 place is same 84,000, 84,000, 84,000. So we cannot compare which number is bigger or which number is smaller. All the numbers are same at 1000 place. So let's move to the ones period. In this number, the ones period is start with 100. In this number, the ones period start with 700. In this number, the ones period is start with 100. So we need to pick the smallest number. So this number we cannot compare because the place value of ones period is start with 700. So let's move to this number and this number. 100 place is same in both the numbers. So the 10th place will come in the picture. The 10th place in this number is 30. The 10th place in this number is 70. So which number is smallest? 30 is smallest. So we will pick the first number, which is 84,137 is the smallest number. Let's move to the question number 4. This is a list of the distance covered by some of the longest train journeys in the world, rearranged in ascending order. Alright, so what is the ascending order is? Ascending order is smallest to biggest. So we need to pick first the smallest number. then the bigger number, and then the bigger number. So move on to the biggest number. Last number will be the biggest number in this. So what will be the first smallest number in this list? Let's start with the place value chart. The 1000 period value in this number is 4000. The 1000 period value in this number is also 4000. The place value or the 1000 period value is also 4000. All right, so let's move to the ones period. Ones period start with 400, ones period start with 200, and ones period start with 300. So the first number will be 4200 is the smallest number, then 300 is the smallest number, then 400, right? So the second number will be 4352. The third number will be 4466 kilometer. The fourth number will be the greatest number in all the numbers. So let's write down the numbers. What is the first number is 4238 kilometer is our first smallest number. The second greater number is 4352 kilometer. The third greater number is 4466 kilometer. And the last fourth number is 9259 kilometer. So this is our ascending order from smallest to biggest number. If this question change in the exam, write down or rearrange in descending order. So what will happen? The same value will come but in opposite directions from bigger to smaller. So first number will be 9259 kilometer. This is the highest distance covered by the train, 9259 kilometer. Then the second number will be 4466 kilometer. The third number will be 4352 kilometer. And the last number will be 4238 kilometer, which is biggest to smallest. So the smallest number will be 4238 kilometer. So in this way, we can write the biggest to smallest, or we can say rearrange in descending orders. Let's move to the question number 5. Rearrange the following numbers in ascending orders. So again, we need to arrange the numbers in ascending order. So we will start with our place value chart. Let's pick the question number 5C. Arrange the following numbers in ascending orders. Ascending orders is from smallest to biggest number. So we need to pick the first smallest number in question number 5C. As observing the pattern, 89,000 is the biggest number in the 1000 place. All right. So this number will come in last. We will keep it separate. So now we have three numbers: 86,931, 86,139, and 86,319. The 1000 value is same in these three numbers, which is 86,000. We cannot compare which number is bigger and which number is smaller. So let's move to the ones period. Ones period is start with 900, ones period start with 100, and ones period start with 300. So which value is smaller? 86,139 is the smallest value. 86,139 is the first smallest number because we are arranging in ascending orders. The second biggest number is 86,319. 86,319. The third number is 86,931. So we can write 86,931. The fourth digit is 89,631. So it's easy to write here. So the last number will be 89,631. All right. So let's move to the question number 6. This is a list of some of the longest rivers in the world. Rearrange them in descending orders. So what is descending order is biggest to smallest. We need to start our questions with the place value chart. The 1000 place value is 6, the 1000 place value is 6, the 1000 place value is 6, and the last one is also same. So we cannot make any difference which number is smaller and which number is greater, because all the values or all the numbers are start with 6000. So let's move to the ones period. Ones period is in the first number is starting with 400, ones period is starting with 200, ones period is starting with 600, and ones period is starting with 300, and we are arranging them in descending order, which is biggest to smallest. So which number we pick here? The biggest number is which is starting with 600. So this is our first number, which is the biggest number, 6650 kilometer. All right. So what will be our second number? The ones period start with 400. So after 6, the second number will be 400. All right. So now we have two remaining numbers, which is 6200 and 6300. So which number will come at third position? 6300. And the last one will be the smallest number in the list, which is 6275. All right. Let's move to the question number 7. Rearrange the following numbers in descending order. So descending orders are bigger to smallest. Let's move to the question number 7C. Observe the number first. The 1000 place is start with 19,000. The 1000 place start with 90, 90, and 19,000. So we are arranging in descending order. So the biggest number will come as compared to 19,000 to 90. Obviously, the 90,000 is the bigger value. All right. So we have two numbers starting with 90. So which number will come first? So both the numbers are starting with 90,000. Let's move to the ones period. This number is starting with 400 and this number is starting with 200. So which number is greater than in these two number? 90,438 is the bigger number. So we will write down here first 90,438. Then we will write here 90,251. Now we had remaining two numbers and both the numbers are starting with 19,000. So we cannot make any differentiate between which number is bigger and which number are smaller, because both the numbers are starting with 19,000. So let's move to the ones place, which is 600 and 100. So which number is bigger, 600 or 100? So obviously 600 is the bigger number. So we can write here 19,672. The last number is 19,190. So this is the end of the exercise number 1B. As I said earlier, to solve such kind of questions, we must start with the place value chart, because place value chart makes our questions very easy to compare, to arrange them in ascending orders or in descending orders. So let's move to the next topic, which is building the numbers, and then we will solve the exercise number 1C. If you found this video informative and helpful, it is requested to subscribe, like, and share to grow my online academy.